Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend two videos on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first thing first, let's create a project on InShot. Click on video and click on new, and here I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery. I'm going to pick this one, and then we can click on this check mark to import the video to our project. Okay, and I'm going to blend this video with another video. Click on the PIP option, and then you can go to your gallery. You can pick a video you want to blend with your previous video. I'm just going to use the InShot material. I'm going to select this one, for instance. We can download it first, and then we can add this video to our project. Click on this icon to fit the screen, and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the blend option. Click on it, and then choose the blend tool you want to apply to your video. And I'm gonna go with this one, the screen blend. Then click on this check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can blend two videos using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.